I'm going to pull the fire alarm at school. Ha 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 ha. Now I need to run away before someone sees me.
Caillou, why are you home so early?
Hello guys, and welcome to Caillou. And we got a kid with a yellow shirt, and blue pants, and red shoes, and brown hair, and we got thermometers that who want to talk to us.
This is the school that we went. And Caillou just pulled the fire alarm at school. Wait a minute. I think Caillou pulled the fire alarm at school. He will be so grounded by his parents.
And that's all we have to say.
Oh, Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are so grounded. Go to your room right now and never come out.